You put already?
Yeah.
It's working now?
Yes, please.
You start?
Yeah.
It's too up for you? It's okay. But with this one long hair, you can 1 GHD, 2 GHD, 3 GHD, 4 GHD, 5 GHD, 6 GHD, 7 GHD, 8 GHD, 9 GHD, 10 GHD. كان 5
Ouch, girl.
Yeah, do whatever you like. You forget. Yes? Forget. Put here, watch me. Here, here. I roll. And roll, and roll, and roll. And then I will go down. See my hand? Rolling, rolling nicely. At the end, little bit I hold. You may have it so a little bit like this in. Then I open up. So this is the right one. You did very good. She did well, but too much pulling, you know? One, the easy, nice curl, easy. And then I have to teach you many different styles. But I want you just to learn. Straight already, you know, how
Yes,
to
sir.
brush. And now the curly one, this one, the easy one, when you work, like this first. You hold like this the hand. Watch, you hold. You start from here. I roll. And roll, and roll, and roll. You become like this. And then I move my hand slowly, slowly, slowly. See my hand. Good. Not pull, pull. One I reach here. Other way I can continue. Roll, roll. In. So like this one, I will not have no mistake. Hold the curl up and down. Come very nice. Look. How you find it. Very nice, yeah? Here and here. So I want it back. I roll in and roll. When this up I can see, I will move it. Down, down, down. I move like slightly directly in the edge. I hold my hand to be sure about the ends, so not looking too good. How you find? Nice, no? Easy. Good? Special this one.
And do again.
You like it?
Yeah.